मुझे तुमसे एक सवाल पूछना है कि यार तुम्हारा नाम है नील, नितिन, मुकेश, भैया सरनेम कहाँ पे है? सारे के सारे ये फर्स्ट नेम है ना? हाँ? Why don't you have a surname? All of us have Khan, Roshan. Where's your surname? Why?
That's a very kind question, Shahrukh sir and Saif sir. Thank you so much.
No problem.
But can I take this liberty of saying something?
Oh, please. Yeah? This is the insulting podium. Go for it.
Well, actually, that is an insult for me. Actually, I feel. Yeah.
Oh.
It's not right, you know, that I think you haven't seen my father sitting out here also.
Sorry, Neil.
Yeah, I think it's ridiculous on both of you all to, you know, ask a question like this and always make this up on a film fed podium, you know, up there, standing there. And
What, dude?
no, I'm sorry, everyone, but I personally find this as an insult. I think you guys just need to, you know, just shut up, yeah. I'm sorry, but
अरे यार, well done, Nitin.
थैंक्स यार नील
it's Neil, yeah. Neil.
और मुकेश.
वैसे आपका सरनेम है क्या?
I don't think I need a surname, yeah. You know, I don't need a surname. I've worked very hard to come and sit even here, right in the first 10 rows out here, and then be asked a question by Mr. Shah Rukh Khan and Mr. Saif Ali Khan. You know, it's a big honor, but thank
shut
you
up.
so much.
Yeah?
But just shut up.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Well done, Neil. Big hand.
Yeah, that's very nice. Shut up बोल रहा है. मुझको लगता है अगली पिक्चर विनोद चोपड़ा और आशुतोष गवारकर की साइन की है इसने. Okay, guys, but well done, Neil. We didn't notice your dad; he's lost some weight, but God bless you. Thank you for being here. But the next person that we'd like to ask the question is Madhavan.
Yes, Madhavan, where
Where's
are you?
Madhavan?
Ah,
Hi, Madhavan. How are you?
and it's not just Madhavan, it's R Madhavan.
R?
Yeah.
R for what? Rated? No, what is it? I mean, we've never understood. R is for what? Real?
In south of India, they say our
Talented,
Madhavan.
talented,
Our Madhavan.
really talented.
Oh, like in South India, R Madhavan.
Yeah, R Madhavan.
Pole ma, R Madhavan. Yeah. Okay. We understand.
Actually, it's Ranganathan. Hey, Neil, my surname is Ranganathan.
Ranganathan.
Yeah.
Really, guys,
Surname
did you ever
comes
know
first.
that R Madhavan stands for Ranganathan? Let's hear it from that. Very good. And I've known Madhavan for a very, very long time. He's amazingly talented, really wonderful. And I have a question for you. Would you, you've been doing all these Tamil films and wonderfully, even Three Idiots, you've been acting really great. We want to learn some Tamil, you know, all these big kind of directors, Mani Ratnam sir and A.R. Rahman sir, all of them from the south, you know. So we want to learn a bit of Tamil. Are you game for that?
Yeah, sure.
So if I give you a line from like one of my movies and you repeat it back and we learn it in Tamil.
Okay.
We try and do
We
that.
can do this, huh? So can we have a line from your film? Is that
We would
okay?
take one.
It took me 10 years, but I'm sure you can do it today.
Almost took me 10 years to learn Imtiaz's dialogue, so but I know it now. So I'm going to repeat it to you, okay?
Go for it.
It's from Love Ajkal. It says, Romeo and Juliet, Heer Ranja, Laila Majnu. By the way, तुमने नोटिस किया कि देसी लव स्टोरीज में लड़की का नाम हमेशा पहले आता है. ये मैं क्या बकवास कर रहा हूँ?
मुझे क्या पता तू बोल रहा है यार.
That's a dialogue from the movie.
इम्तियाज well done.
Which part was it, the dialogue?
Everything except the bit I said to Shah Rukh.
Go for it. We can learn this. Go for it.
Romeo Juliet?
Romeo and
Romeo and
Juliet. Same in Tamil.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Heer Ranja?
Hiranja. Same.
Yes. Laila Majnu?
Laila
Lailu
Majnu.
Majnu.
You guys are doing really well.
okay.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah. Come on.
எல்லா ஹிந்தி திரைப்படத்துலயும் இந்த ஹீரோயின் போர் ஏன் முன்னாடி வருது இப்ப சுத்தமா கிறுக்கமா பொறிக்கவே இல்லையே.
Same to you.
Yeah, all right, thanks.
Everybody has to insult us tonight. So would you like to do us an insult in
Yes,
Tamil? Little shorter,
something
maybe.
in Tamil.
போங்கடா கிறுக்கு கதாநாயங்களா.
Thank you.
Tera bhi pola killing it.
Thank you.
Thank you, Madhavan. God bless
Love
you.
you,
Let's
baby.
hear it for Madhavan, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, now my
Favorite.
Neil seems
Where is
to be.
Neil?
Where is Neil? Neil seems to be wanting to say something.
What do you want to say, Neil? I think Neil wants to apologize because he was quite offensive earlier, saying shut up and all to us.
Neil,
It's all right,
you're going to
come
take
and give it
us?
to us.
Please come, Neil.
Come on, and say sorry.
We love you. You've been very, very kind. Ladies and gentlemen, Neil, जिसने पहले हमारे साथ बदतमीजी की थी, लेकिन हमें गले लगाकर घर ले जाना चाह रहा है. Neil, come on, give it to us. Come here, man. Come on. You're going to give us a
He's
present?
got an envelope.
That's wonderful. Give us a hug. Come on.
Cash.
Thank you.
For the bandana.
Okay, well
The
then,
bandana,
there
give
we
it
are.
him.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Neil. This
You've
is
been very kind.
3, 2, 1, and it is sold to.
Come on, no prizes for guessing.
This balm is sold to our friend and a wonderful, wonderful star, John Abraham. हमारे दोस्तों की फिल्म है, बहुत खूबसूरत फिल्म थी दोस्ताना, लेकिन उसके अंदर उनके बम का जो प्रदर्शन किया गया था उसकी वजह से उनके एक्सप्रेशन किसी ने नहीं देखे. बट हमने डिसाइड किया है कि दोस्ताना के सीक्वल्स में उनका हम जो है बम दिखाएंगे और उनको हम चॉइस देंगे कि उनके पास अब रेड वाला भी है फॉर दोस्ताना 2 एंड द ग्रीन वाला है फॉर दोस्ताना 3.
Because दोस्ताना 1 का बम तो उनके पास पहले से है और आप देख चुके हैं.
Love you, John. God bless you.
Now, we come to the high point.
Absolutely. ये थी फिल्मों की बातें. And now, surprise. There are 2 more items for sale. This handsome hunk, Saif, long hair included, hardly used, mint condition, Banka Nojawan, with long-lasting flavor, contains no artificial fruit juices or pulp.
And here's the man himself, as is, where is conditioned, tried and tested, state-of-the-art circuitry, and has a valid US and UK visa. And also quite good at babysitting, but conditions apply.
So, ladies and gentlemen, हम चाहेंगे कि आप लोगों ने हमारे साथ जो बदतमीजी की, जो हमको ह्यूमिलेट किया, जो इंसल्ट किया, प्लीज नाउ शो सम ग्रेस. और हम में से किसी को आप, हम में से दोनों को एक्चुअली
Bid for us, take us home, do whatever you want.
Somebody put a boli.
It's all
We
for
can come back
charity.
home with you. We've been so kind to you. Come on, कोई तो बोली लगाओ ना यार. Come on, बोली लगाइए,
Somebody.
बोली लगाइए, कोई भी नहीं कर रहा है यार. I just you know, विनोद, तुम्हारे पास नहीं आऊंगा मैं यार. तुम ये ना बम वाली पिक्चर बना रहे हो, मुझे बहुत डर लगता है. हम दोनों ही पठान टाइप हैं. But Neil, favorite, I really, where is she?
Vidya Balan.
Where's Vidya? Yeah, get that right here. Okay, Vidya, love you, darling. Welcome back.
Thank you.
And just want to know, जब तुम मुझको और सैफ को देखती हो, तुम्हारे दिल में पहले वर्ड्स क्या आते हैं?
बता दूं?
Please, बोलो, दिल खोल के बोलो. I know the kind of feelings you have for us. Go for it.
सोडियम सल्फेट.
That's okay. That's
Hey,
okay.
Vidya, just tell us, हम फिल्म फेयर होस्ट को देखकर तुम्हारे मन में कोई नोटी ख्याल आते हैं?
Right, तुम्हारे दिल में क्या हम दोनों को देखकर या हम फिल्म फेयर होस्ट को देखकर कुछ होता है? Really, go for it.
होता है.
होता है?
बहुत कुछ होता है.
किसके लिए होता है? बताओ हम दोनों में से.
करण जौहर के लिए.
Okay,
Final question.
समझो विद्या, वर्ल्ड एंड होने को आ रही है. 2 ही मर्द बाकी हैं. 2 Sexy
दो
guys.
मर्द
सिर्फ
कहा
सिर्फ दो. Just the two of us
Darling,
left.
इस film
And
industry
you
में दो ही
have
मर्द
to
हैं.
choose between these two macho men.
Macho.
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 Thank you. Macho men. Who's it going to be?
Between the two of us.
Between the two of you. Honest?
Honest, darling.
Honestly.
Go for it.
I'll choose death. I'll choose death.
Darling, thank you for insulting us over and over and over and over again every time. Thank you
And
very much.
staying
India. You
true
are
to the spirit of the occasion.
truly,
Thank you.
you're truly an insulting lady. Thank you very much. That is